What up? Welcome back to another video, guys. Where's my... Wait, you want a cheer or what?
Oh, we didn't get the beer yet.
I got a beer. Oh, well. Welcome back to another video, guys. I'm with the coolest white guy I know, Jerry. Alright, so today we're going to be doing an install video on my 2020 Lowrider S. We're going to be finally changing the stock headlamp. It is an LED headlamp, but I kind of want this because this looks so much cooler. All blacked out. If you saw my video that I posted up maybe 3 months ago when I went over everything, all the mods that I wanted to do to my bike, you probably heard me mention that this was the light that I wanted to go with. So I finally got it. So this is a Moon's MC light. It's pretty cool. I like the all blacked out look of it. And it came with this cone because for softails you need this. For Dynas and other stuff you don't, but for the softails you do. So it came with a cone. I had to purchase that separately as well. And then they sent in a few little stickers here. So cool little stickers for the sticker wall. I'll finally show you guys the sticker walls afterwards because I always say I'm gonna show you the sticker wall and I never do, but we'll get into that later. So main reason why Jerry's here is because little issue that a lot of people have been telling me that they've been going through when they install these lights, and that's the fact that they have to grind one of the parts that's behind here. They got to grind it down in order for this cone to fit because obviously there's not much space right there. So I did buy a grinder. I did get some safety glasses, but we're first gonna try it out because when I got the Memphis Shades fairing, I did get extender for this. So I think with the extender we might be good, but if not, we're gonna have to grind down some parts in order to fix this. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, baby. All right, Jerry, let's get to cranking, baby. Let's get to wrenching. Oh, the spacer, I got it.
I was gonna say, you got the spacer?
I got the spacer.
Okay, now we just gotta unplug it.
Unplug the lights. Very easy. So it's very easy, guys. You just take the ball off, unplug the light, and that's how easy it comes off. I want to see if the bucket is gonna fit in here.
Oh, we're gonna need different spacers. That's the problem.
This is too thick. Actually, you know what? Let me see something. Alright guys, so really quick, we had to go to an auto parts store and go pick up some spacers because the spacer that I have from when I got the fairing from Memphis Shades, it's not gonna fit in here, as you can see. So I had to go out and get some spacers for the bolt to fit in place right here. So just FYI, if you're gonna get this light, you're gonna have to play with this a bit. Push it through, maybe the other one?
It's right here, in my hand, in my finger.
No, the other one. The one
Oh, the can one?
Yeah.
The bigger one. Come. Okay. Okay.
Push it out a little.
Push what out?
The bolt. Pull it out here.
Is it there?
No, you have to tilt it down.
You gotta come up a little. There you go. There we go. A little more.
Let me see.
Something.
Move your finger.
Yeah.
Got it!
Yeah.
Ah, that feels great.
Yeah.
That was real good, man.
Are you gonna wire it first?
Yeah, let's wire it first. Hopefully, ew.
You're gonna say, doesn't that plug into...
Alright guys, so you're gonna have this blue cover as well that's gonna come with it. So the black end obviously gonna go with the black tip here for the bike. That clips in. And then the blue end is gonna clip in with, what do you call this? The plug that just comes out the cone from the back.
Out of the bucket.
We have to tuck
it, yeah, tuck it in, zip tie.
Tuck it in and zip tie it somewhere. Alright, so now they got that connected. Let's just give it a little test first and see if it's actually gonna work properly. And here we go. Nice. Oh, yay! Nice. That looks real good, baby. Yeah, baby, yeah.
Yeah, nice.
Very good. All right, so this extra stuff we just curl up in the back. That stays there in this place, and we're gonna have the ring and the little screw for the bottom, and that's pretty much it, guys. So it's a pretty easy install if you're gonna have the proper tools. So just know you're gonna have to have the little set of bushings. Not bushings, they're
yeah, like rubber bushings.
yeah, they're like rubber bushings.
If you have the extension.
Yeah, if you have the extension. If you don't have the extension, you're gonna have to, from what I heard, you have to grind down the part.
Yeah.
Which sounds pretty silly. I think, like, you know, stuff like this, you're paying, I mean, the light was what, $100-something, and it's like, you're paying for stuff like this, and you would think it would have come ready for the bike, you know? It would be perfect. But that's not the case, man. So I'm a little unhappy about that. All right, so now we're just gonna tighten it up.
You might have to adjust it though, right?
Yeah, I'm not gonna tighten it all the way.
Just get it tight, it's not.
Just because we gotta see exactly where the Memphis Shades fairing is gonna go. So we'll leave it like that for now, right? I think the last time I changed the headlight on something was when I had my
Sports stick?
yeah, my iron. Did you watch that video?
I think so. I think I've seen pretty much all of it. Yeah, it's not clipped in.
Alright guys, so now that we got the ring around the bucket and the light, which holds it in place, we're gonna go ahead and put the little screw in the bottom.
Oh, okay, that's how the high beam's gonna work then.
Oh.
Yeah, there you go.
Right.
Okay.
So what we're gonna do now is that we're gonna take the Memphis Shades fairing on it. Make sure that it's gonna fit in place so we can then tighten the light and lace where it goes. Well, first things first, what I gotta do?
Just adjust the headlight pocket.
No, I gotta
tuck the wire, yeah.
All right, so you're gonna need a zip tie to take all this extra wire from the back. Probably tie it around here somewhere. Not bad, kid. I'm gonna have to clip that off tomorrow. All right, guys, so this is the light. This is what it looks like. So extremely bright, as you can see. Very nice. Jerry, you want to flash the high beam for them?
Just turn it on.
Very cool. It looks very cool. I mean, the main reason, it just cleans everything up. You could turn it off. Just want to see how clean it look. It cleans everything up so much due to the fact that, you know, the whole light is black. That just makes the bike look so clean, so nice. I love it. I really like the look of it. All right, guys, so that was the install. A little haggle to put the whole light on. Like I said before, if you want to put it on your Softail Lowrider S or any other Softail you got, and you do have the extended clip from Memphis Shades, all you have to do is just go out and get some bushings. They're like about a 1/2 inch each, yeah. Right? So a 1/2 inch bushings, you're gonna need 3 of them, one for each side where the ball goes and then one in the middle. And that's pretty much it. Everything else is pretty much self-explanatory. It's just plug and play as far as all the plug-in and everything. The light looks amazing. It definitely cleans the whole front of the bike up. This was before and this is now. So obviously, as you can see, a big, huge difference. I like it. What do you think about it?
Yeah, I think it's good.
Is it too cool for you, or?
No, it's not bad at all, or whatever. But you know, the black, it looks good, and it seems, it seems a lot brighter. I don't know if it's brighter, how much brighter it is than that or whatever. But they should give you better instructions.
Yeah,
That's all I'm saying. I don't know if there's on the website. Maybe there's better instructions.
Maybe on the website. I didn't check, but just the box didn't come with any instructions. But if you guys are interested in getting this light, I did get it from Mooms MC. I am gonna get the rear light for it as well. I'm gonna be getting rid of the rear tail signals, and I'm just gonna have everything on the rear light. Just one nice clean look in the back, clean the whole back up. Take those reflectors off finally that I still have on, and tons of other stuff. I also have we have two nice little discussion videos coming your way. Well, not yet, so I gotta film it. But this week coming up, we should be doing a video, and then maybe follow a week after that. So tune in for that. Also, Jerry got a new bike. I'm gonna be posting that video up probably this weekend, maybe tomorrow night or Sunday night. That video should be up, so you guys get to see his new bike. He now has 3 bikes in his garage, which is pretty cool.
Pretty cool.
Pretty cool.
Pretty cool.
Just very nonchalant about it.
Need a little more space.
Yeah. I only have 1 bike in my garage for now. Alright guys, also if you want to go and support the channel, it'll be a great help. If you want to look down below, you can cop some merch. The merch is available. If you want to cop a t-shirt, a mug, a sticker, a hoodie, whatever you want is down below. Support the channel anyway. Any little thing goes a long way. Where's your MK t-shirt at, man?
It's on order.
Alright guys, like always, thank you so much for watching. Tune in for the next video. Subscribe, hit that bell button. It's gonna notify you anytime I upload any type of new content. And like always, guys, let the force be with you.
Ride safe and enjoy the ride.
And enjoy the ride, baby. Peace.
Peace.